We are looking at how to pronounce this Irish name, as well as how to pronounce more interesting and related names from Ireland. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. How do you go about pronouncing this one? You can consider the first E as silent. Ceallach. Ceallach. You do want to stress on the first syllable. Ceallach. Pretty straightforward. Once you know, Ceallach. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more Irish names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.